Welcome to Principles of Macroeconomics online class. My name is Tamina Morshed and I'll be your mentor for the next several weeks. This is your home page. Our semester begins on February 13th and it ends on June 4th. If you want to check your announcements, click on this link. To check your syllabus, you can go from here or from here in your dashboard. To check your modules, also you can go from here or click on your dashboard. Eventually, when you want to check your grades, click on this link. Let's go to your modules. And in your module, this is your orientation module. In your orientation module, if I go to your student view, you will see that there are some bubbles here. All of these bubbles have to have a green check mark. So for example, let's start from here. And once you are done reviewing this page, click on Mark as done. Go to the next. Review your syllabus from here. Also review your important due dates for your homework assignments. Or if you want to purchase your textbook from MVC Bookstore, click on this link. These are your important due dates or deadlines throughout this semester. Once you've checked all of these information, make sure you go to the way bottom, mark as done, and then you go to the next. So what did we do? See, few are already checked and the rest also have to be checked, all of these bubbles. Only then you can go to the next section. And once you've checked your ebook, how to purchase and access your ebook, you've checked on that, only then your module 1 will open up. So make sure you read the instructions carefully, and this should be easy for you once you follow the instructions in details. So in your module, PowerPoint slides are posted here. There are some additional information such as videos or other articles. Once you've reviewed all of those, then attempt your chapter exams. Each exam has 25 questions. You have 50 minutes time. And you click on those, complete your chapter exam. Give me a second. And then you finish your chapter 2 exam, then participate in your discussion forum. And how I will be grading your discussion forum, you can go to these 3 dots, show rubric, only then the detailed rubric will show up. So after all of those, you participate or complete your Applia assignment. So you can go from this link or you can go from this link, because this link will take you to the Mine tab. First 14 days access to your ebook is for free, and then you have to purchase your access code. So let's go to Mine tab. It's like a learning path, and you'll be doing quite a few assignments in this Cengage platform. Let's just give it a few more seconds. It's taking a little bit longer. So this is the learning path. Each of these have folders. Within the folder, when you click on the folder, if you see these orange circle and says count towards grade, those are the assignments you have to do. So if we go to the next section, part 1, you will see this is where we have chapter 1. Again, let's click another button. Under pre-class activities, these are the sample videos you can watch to understand the concepts. This is your access to your ebook. When you click on your ebook, here's your flashcards, and these are the chapters. Once you've reviewed the summary, chapter summary, key terms and concepts, and gone through your chapter, then make sure you take a little bit of time and do some practice exams. Then come and do your homeworks and assignments. So over here, take a look. These are practice. You don't have to do this. When you come to counts towards your grade, this is your chapter 1 assignment. And if there's any questions about this, always send an email to me. And keep in mind, your chapter exams are 30% of your grade. Discussion forum is 40% of your overall weighted average. And apply assignments are 30% of your grade. And anytime if you see a module like module 1, you will be doing 2 chapters and look at the time frame that you can work on. So it has 2 weeks. In 2 weeks time, you'll be doing 2 chapters. And if there's any questions, always send me an email. How to send me an email? The instructions are over here. And you can go to inbox, also send me an email. But pay close attention that your introduction quiz and your introduction meet and greet discussion forum, these are due by this coming Saturday. If there's any questions, again, send me an email and I'll help you. Good luck with everything, and I hope you are successful in this class. Thank you.